Hi guys, we're gonna do Nerf War.
Ding, ding, ding.
This is the X shot.
The Zuru, and mine is the Phoenix. Elite 2.0.
Light fruit. We just call it the light fruit. I guess light pistol. We're just finding all
From Blocks Fruits.
Yeah, it's in blocks, dudes.
Just kidding.
It's in blocks, dudes. I'm just messing around, guys.
And a weed, which I don't know where that goes. Subscribe now.
To Dingling World.
I choose her. Anyways. Okay, we will be starting in a minute. What?
Where's my bullet? You lost too many.
I think it's in here. Done, done, done.
Fire bullet. Give me my fire bullet. What happened to my fire bullet?
This isn't yours. Rip Nerf gun. Nerf bullet. Okay, I'm gonna see if it's here.
And my fire bullet. Oh, there's my fire bullet.
Not my bullet. Okay, work, Mag. Guys, if you want to buy these guns, then it's going to be a link in the description. Lorenzo, I need another bullet, just one more.
If you want another bullet, you're gonna have to find that bullet.
Ah!
Probably one in the trash. Like you. I'm gonna put these back. This side, I'm gonna put these back.
Wait, you want to upload a target practice too?
Yeah, sure. Guys, if you want to see us do target practice, it's gonna be today, right now, later.
Yeah, we're going to do some target practice.
Yeah, after this video.
No, after the Nerf gun round. It's going to be some bonus.
No, after the video.
Okay. Second video?
Seriously, are we gonna find it?
Oh, yeah. Okay, guys. We're just going to find one of
This last bullet. Oh, it's in my
Okay, we found it, but it was just a fire bullet, but we are gonna take it.
Yeah.
That's not so bad. Plop, floo, floo. Plop, floo, floo. Plop, floo, floo. Plop, floo, floo. Subscribe! Subscribe now.
Oh yeah, this is not my real account. My real account got hacked, so I have to use my dad's account.
Subscribe to Noah Ledesma.
That's not my account either.
Then what is?
It's Lorenzo Ledesma. I didn't upload any videos on Lorenzo Ledesma, but you see me on
TikTok?
Noah Ledesma and TikTok. My name, if you go on TikTok,
Renzo the Agent.
yeah, Renzo the Agent. It's a weird name to you if it is.
He is the agent.
I'm not.
I'm just kidding.
I'm
capping.
I don't really care if you guys don't like it. I don't really care if you guys don't like this
He has
video.
a Naruto profile too.
Can you stop talking over me? If you guys don't like the name, you don't have to. It's fine. And I have a Naruto profile. Okay. So get back to the video on TikTok. Follow me and like my videos because I just got down to 1,000. Now I'm at 900. Now I was just at 1,000.
Subscribe to Lorenzo Ledesma now.
Pew, pew, pew. Shut up, garbage can.
Shut up! garbage truck.
Sorry, just.
Yeah, that's what happened.
Sorry, it's kind of loud because that's the garbage.
Shut up, garbage truck.
Yeah.
Nobody likes you.
Yeah, butthole. Sorry guys, Christian
I'm a
is
big dog,
big bear ninja. I'm a lion.
I'm the predator of the
No
prey.
high. Oh my,
I found you, ninja.
Ninja.
Can't run away from me,
ninja. You're out of luck.
You're not brave
You're
enough.
I don't know. We're just singing a TikTok song. Sorry guys.
I'm a big dog,
Ninja, I'm a lion.
I'm the predator of the prey I hide. Oh my, I found you. Okay. And
We
we're
don't want to say the N word. Because that's a bad word.
dun dun dun.
Okay, ready?
Look inside.
What fight? Wait, I was messing around. Hurry up. Let's go.
Okay.
I'm going to be behind this thingy right here. Right here. So I'm going to be behind it. You're not going to see me. Hold the screen. 3. Final, hold the screen. 3, 2, 1. Nerf for nothing. That was nothing.
I came to visit.
What the hell? I got you. Nerf. Suck my booty.
It's because I didn't move.
I got you again.
Okay, yeah, now I'm trying to get
I'm out.
Yeah, now try to get me, Lorenzo. You want to play rough? Say hello to my little friend.
Nerf for nothing. I got you in the head. I got you in the head. No. I'm a jogging lusty. I'm alive. Oh my, oh my. Ninja. You're not fast enough. And you're out of luck. Yeah. I'm a predator. Spray up behind. Oh my, you can't run from me.
This is what's happening. If you want to know. Shut up, Lorenzo. Put that there.
You can run from me, little ninja. Wait, what was that one? No, this one went all the way over here. Help me find it. Oh my god, it went all the way over here. Okay, I surrender.
Okay, reloading time.
I surrender, guys. Sorry if you guys couldn't see anything.
Yeah.
I have a tablet, so I can't. I don't have a Goku.
Goku.
Roku?
GoPro. Yeah, we don't Gio does. Gio does, but he doesn't know how to upload on YouTube. Yeah. If you don't know who's Gio, then it's none of your business.
Yeah. You don't need to know because
He poops in his pants all the time.
yeah.
I'm just kidding. There's no such thing. That was a joke.
Ninja.
But the thing is, subscribe to Yeah Christian Place, my other channel.
Hiding.
Okay, we can get going now.
No. Because I need 2 more. Sorry guys, we lost again.
Yep. Up in there like that. You guys still going? Yeah, it's still going.
Sorry if this video is so long. Cause I don't know when to stop. I just keep on going, guys.
Sorry.
Alright.
That's our fault.
You should know when to stop.
Don't. Just,
I'm just trying to find these 2 bullets, guys. Sorry. That big.
Okay, if you guys don't know what we're doing, we're just preparing for our next video. If you guys are suspicious.
I'm the predator of the predator.
Okay. We're just gonna find some bullets.
Bulla. Buddha. Oh no, the garbage truck is coming. It's gonna be loud. Sorry, guys.
I'm the predator of the prey that was started. Guys, what's that noise?
Oh, don't look at there.
Nothing. No, it's nothing.
Hey, don't look in there. No.
This is how a Nerf War forms. Shoot me, then I'll shoot you.
Oh, you want a Nerf. Nerf bomb.
Ah.
Wait. We have to find out other bullets.
Yeah. Okay, give me the light bullet.
Sorry, guys.
Who's the ugliest character in Naruto?
My butt.
No, like for real.
My butt.
No, oh my god, your butt isn't even in Naruto.
Dude, I need bullets. I need bullets. I need bullets. I need
So who's the ugliest person in Naruto? Who do you think?
No one. Everybody's cute. Jesus. Except all the boys. They're cool. I just need 3 bullets. Where are all the other bullets went? Sorry guys, it's taking so long right now. You guys want to see Hey guys.
What's in here again?
Oh no.
Oh, Pete. Lorenzo! Hurry up!
Sorry guys. Taking too long. But we need bullets. Guys, we might just have to make another video because we need to find not yet the bullet. So subscribe, hit the bell, like the video.
Subscribe to Yeah Christian Plays.
Yeah, but you don't have to. So
Yeah, sure.
bye. What the heck? Nerf